Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this episode our ex-ambulance is saved by getting stitches. So as you can see there, if I do this, you can see a tipper vehicle came along and clonked it. So I've got rub marks here, I've got a scratch here, and it's pushed in here and in here, and you can see by this mark it gouged into here and it crinkled this up. Anyway, but I think this has happened before, so this is crinkled up, as you can see by the hole, and these are the best thing ever. So get it cracked, drill 2 holes, thread a cable, tie through it. Sometimes it can be difficult, and here was all ripped. Go back. So it's all ripped all the way up to here. So all we did was took various cable ties and stitched them up. And this was the same. The rip starts here, goes all the way down, and as you can see, cable tied it all the way up. And that's what it looks like. And that's an MOT pass, where I think before it would have been an MOT failure. Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.